As the presidential motorcade left State House, Nairobi, a celebratory mood was in the air at Nyayo Stadium. The venue of the 52nd Jamhuri Day commemoration. And just before the president arrived, Liberian President Ellen Johnson Sirleaf arrived. So did Ismaili leader His Highness the Aga Khan. Here, military pageantry was in full display, both on the ground and in the air. But sometimes mistakes happen when you least expect and in the wrong place, wrong time. But the show had to go on. The tunes perhaps tugging at the heart of the Liberian president, a reminder of our 5 years in the hustle and bustle of Nairobi.
I'd like to just drive around and see Nairobi again. To drive to all the many places, to visit the market women, wherever they are. It may be Sunday, they may not be there, but to go around and see their places.
All for the love of Kenya, in the spirit of patriotism, the spirit of a free country, a sovereign state, 52 years old. Judy Kosgei, Citizen Weekend.